In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, over 24 houses were gutted in a massive fire in Kishtwar district. The blaze that broke out on Thursday night gutted at least 25 residential houses, which affected 23 families of the district. However, no one was injured in the incident. A large number of Kashmiri Americans staged a protest demonstration in front of Indian Embassy in Washington, D.C. President of Azad Jammu and Kashmir Barrister Sultan Mahmood Chaudhry and other speakers drew the attention of Biden administration to the grave human rights situation in the occupied territory. The participants waved placards reading, "Indian forces out of Kashmir, stop killing in Kashmir, UN implement resolutions on Kashmir, and US can stop genocide in Kashmir." Azadi posters by Jammu and Kashmir Ghaznavi force have surfaced in different areas of Samba, Bari Brahmana and Taror areas of the district. The posters, mostly written in Urdu, demanded that India should leave Kashmir and give Kashmiris their birthright to self-determination. As soon as the Indian police came to know about the posters, the top Indian police officials and the intelligence agencies swung into action, and the footage of the CCTV cameras installed around these places is being checked to find the clue. India has been treating Kashmir as its colony right from 1947, when its forces illegally landed in Srinagar on 27 October 1947 against the partition plan of the subcontinent and the aspirations of the Kashmiris. Modi regime's August 5, 2019 illegal move to repeal the special status of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir was another step towards colonializing Kashmir, said a report released by the Kashmir Media Service today. It said colonialization of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir has since long been a dream of RSS and BJP. India is systematically paving the way for settler colonialism in the territory by introducing new laws. Pakistan's ambassador to United Nations Munir Akram has delivered to the UN leadership the identical letter from the Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari on the worsening situation in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, as Kashmiris and Pakistanis all over the world observe Black Day.